There's no containing the joy felt by the family of Shara Yuan, the woman reported as the missing bride. After 19 days, she was safely and successfully reunited with her family.
Sa totoo po, ma'am, sobrang saya po. Kumbaga, halos hindi ko po maipaliwanag talaga po sa sobrang saya. Kumbaga, kung yung nagkaroon ka ng tinik, parang natanggal sa akin. Ganun po kasaya ang damdamin ko po ngayon.
According to the Quezon City Police District or QCPD, it was on the morning of December 29 when Shera's fiancé received a call from a man named Rodel. Shera allegedly approached and asked for his help after he saw her along a bypass road in Sison, Pangasinan.
Accordingly, itong si Mr. Rodel is papunta sa kanyang trabaho during that time. Nasa bypass road siya nung lapitan siya ni Miss Shera at sinabi nga po niya na kailangan niya ng tulong. Humiram po siya ng cellphone para matawagan yung kanyang pamilya. At nung nagpakilala na nga siya, na siya si Miss Shera at na-recall daw po nitong si Rodel na siya yung missing bride, nakita nila sa post yung number po ni Mark, kaya yun yung tinawagan nila.
Results of an investigation by authorities show, among others, that Shera did not intentionally leave for an unplanned long trip. She only left to buy wedding shoes at a mall in Fairview, Quezon City. However, she allegedly decided to transfer to another mall along Commonwealth Avenue. Shera reportedly boarded a van, but for reasons still unknown, she suddenly lost consciousness. When she woke up, she was already in Mangaldan, Pangasinan. It remains unclear what transpired after she arrived in Pangasinan and why she lost consciousness inside the van.
Meron po tayong mga backtracking pa po na nangyayari since ang sabi nga po niya ay sumakay siya ng SUV van or UV Express van. So, tinatry pa rin po natin kumuha, baka po sakaling may mga CCTVs. And ang Sison Pangasinan po, may ongoing coordination din po tayo doon para po sa backtracking kung saan naman siya nakita. Baka sakaling may mga CCTVs naman sila doon na makakapagbigay linaw pa rin po sa atin kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari.
Early this morning, Shera arrived in Metro Manila where she was immediately subjected to a medical examination.
Itong days before po ngayon, nakita ko lang po yung kubaw.
Susundan mo na yun?
Sinusundan ko po.
For now, Shera has requested she be allowed to rest first.
Yung doktor po ng QCPD nagbigay ng initial physical check-up po sa kanya and maayos naman po, ang normal po yung vital signs niya, kalmado po siya pero kailangan niya po ng pahinga.
Ryan Lisiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.